CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum is a potent serum designed to hydrate the skin deeply while smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Much like the hydrating attributes of hyaluronic acid, this serum also contains a rich formula that plays a substantial role in maintaining skin health and moisture. CeraVe is a renowned skincare brand known for its dermatologist-developed formulas which prioritize skin barrier health, incorporating essential ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid into their skincare products. In today's video, we are taking a deep dive into the many benefits of the CeraVe's Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum, guiding you through step-by-step through its correct application and sharing some essential do's and don'ts. But first, how does hyaluronic acid work within the skin? Hyaluronic acid is a superstar ingredient in skincare, known for its hydrating properties that help to maintain skin moisture, suppleness, and elasticity. It works at a cellular level to retain water, ensuring your skin remains hydrated and plump. An interesting fact is hyaluronic acid naturally occurs in our skin, but its production decreases as we age. So by topically applying hyaluronic acid to our skin, it helps replenish the skin's moisture balance, encouraging a more youthful, dewy appearance. Now, it also works primarily in the epidermis, the top layer of the skin, assisting in reducing the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles by attracting and holding water. Its hydration superpowers also means that it facilitates a smoother canvas, allowing active ingredients in your skincare routine to penetrate more deeply into the skin, optimizing their effects. So what does make the CeraVe's version a standout product? Their formulas combines hyaluronic acid with 3 essential ceramides that work together to restore and maintain the skin's protective barrier, ensuring sustained hydration and shield against irritants. It also contains vitamin B5 to soothe the skin, providing a well-rounded approach to skin hydration and barrier reinforcement, promoting a healthy, youthful appearance. These elements not only maintain the skin's natural barrier, but also soothe and hydrate, minimizing potential irritation and dryness often associated with potent skincare ingredients. So let's talk about how to use the CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This serum is light and non-greasy, perfectly suited for all skin types. This serum can also be used both morning and night. However, it's important to remember that in your morning routine, you should always use a sunscreen to finish to protect your skin from UV rays. So to apply this serum, you first want to start with a clean face. So ensure that you use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and impurities from your skin. If it's nighttime, always double cleanse. You're then going to apply 2 pumps, about a pea-sized amount of the CeraVe's Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and ensure that you do apply it to damp skin. Apply evenly across your face, neck, and chest area, allowing it to fully absorb before moving on to the next step in your skincare routine. You're then going to apply other serums, and then finally follow up with a moisturizer to seal in the hydration and further protect your skin's barrier. Now for a few important tips to remember when using the CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. First, ensure that you do apply hyaluronic acid to damp skin, either straight after cleansing when the skin is still slightly damp, or apply after using a toner or mist. Do carry out a patch test before incorporating it into your daily routine, and don't ignore your neck and décolletage. Always ensure you extend the application to these areas. And of course, be sure to adhere to the product's usage guidelines for the best results. If you experience persistent irritation or adverse reactions, stop use immediately and seek advice from a skin professional. Now, do you want to learn more about the hyaluronic acid mistakes to avoid? Then you should check out this video here next.